Hi guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening some toys. So this toy is made from Harry Potter. So this is Hermione and this is the Charmed Classroom. Okay, so let's open. Okay. Whoa, look! Okay, you don't need that. So this is the instruction. How we are going to play. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so we have the Hermione. We have the Hermione and we have the teaching thing. We have candles and we have a book. Okay, so let's open this one first. Here it is. You can flip it. And then here's a candle. And here's the book. Now let's open the Hermione. Okay, so this is the Hermione. She has a wand. And now let's get the classroom. Okay, let's decorate. We're going to put the thing in here. Okay, time to do the magic. See, the feather is floating. Okay guys, so this is the Hermione and the feather. The feather is floating because Hermione spelled the magic. Okay guys, that's it for the opening toys video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and give it a like and thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Bye!
Mwah.